Hello friend, welcome you all. Today I am going to show you that how you can use updated version of Mendeley Reference Manager or Citation Manager to insert the citation in your document. But before this, I want to show you that I have already uploaded a tutorial on YouTube about Mendeley Reference Manager in which I have explained everything about the Mendeley Reference Manager, explain about create account, download and install, addition of reference in Mendeley library, syncing up Mendeley library offline online library, changing of citation style in the software and downloading various citation style from CSL repository and installation in the software, and also the insert citation in the document, bibliography insert, reference edit, replacement, delete, merge citation, merge up two or more than two document with citation, changing whole reference citation style in just one click, and many other information I have already explained. And now they have updated the Mendeley Reference Manager and they have changed from the older version. So today I am going to just show you that how you can use updated version of the Mendeley Citation Manager. For this, you have to visit the mendeley.com and you can create account free of cost. So I have already account at the Mendeley, so I'm not going to create again. Next, you have to download the software. You have to just click here and you can download according to your operating system. So I am using the Windows, so I'm going to download for the window. But if you are using the macOS or Linux, you can download according to operating system. So my download is complete. So I'm going to open this and you can install on your system. Installation is complete. I'm going to click on the finish. Here you can see the software is open and it's asking for the email. So I have already created my account, so I'm going to use that. Here you can see I have already added references in my library. So you can see the all the reference that I have already in my library. And about library and adding references, I have already discussed my previous video. So I'm not going to discuss after installation of the software. You have to also install a plugin. For this, you have to visit the mendeley.com. And if you click here on the download, and here you can see your new Mendeley Reference Manager, and for this you need this application. You can see Get Mendeley Site from Microsoft App Store. If you click here, you can see this is a plugin for the Word, and if you click here on the Get It Now, this will install plugin in your Word. Open the plugin by clicking here. So here asking for open pick and app. So I have also installed the LibreOffice, that's why it is giving me option. But if you don't have more than one application to open the Word file, it will not show you. So I'm going to select Word. Now here you can see in my Word, Mendeley Cite plugin is added. So this will be used to cite the reference. This is the new thing in the updated version. Here you can see I have opened a new Word document and I'm going to add some text here. You can add text by using the rand command equal to rand and click enter. You can see it added the random text here with the line and paragraph that you have entered in the rand command. So I'm going to show you how you can add the reference using the updated version. Here you can see you are not able to see the Mendeley citation plugin, but if you go to the reference tab and click here, you can see the Mendeley Cite plugin is available. Just click here, and first time you have to sign in again. So click here on the just get started and sign in. Now you can see it is showing my references from the library. And to insert the citation in the Word document, select the cursor where you want to add the citation, and in the citation plugin you can see all the references from your library showing, and you can search the reference, and if you have group you can select the group from which you want to add the reference. I'm just showing how you can add any of reference, so I'm selecting this one. At the below side you can see the insert one citation. If you just click here, you can see the reference is added. And here I'm going to add the bibliography, so I'm going to rename here. And first time to add the bibliography, keep the cursor here, and in the Mendeley side go to the three dots here, and if you click here on the insert bibliography, here it is showing that your bibliography will be inserted at your cursor location. So our cursor location is here. Just click here on the continue, you can see the bibliography is added in our document. Like this, if you want to add another citation, select the cursor position and choose your reference from the library. Click here on the insert. You can see. And for the next citation, you can see it automatically added the bibliography. In this way, you can use the updated version to add the references in your document. And if you want to change the citation style, it is very easy. In the Mendeley side, go to the citation and you can change the citation style here. You click here, you can see there are many citation style and you can choose accordingly. And if you click here, search for the another style, you can search any citation style and you can use in your document. If you click here update citation style, you can see it will automatically update your citation style in your document. You can get other information from my previous video, so I'm not going in detail. So in this way you can use the updated version of Mendeley to cite the reference in your document. And please let me know if you need any other information about updated version of Mendeley. And thank you for watching my video.